Why can't I concentrate while studying? Nowadays, everyone is facing this problem while studying. Don't worry. Here are 5 effective study tips to improve your concentration to make optimum usage of your study hours. With advanced technology at fingertips, concentrating on studies becomes hard these days. Study is not the process of just reading lines of a book. It involves understanding the ideas and grasping the knowledge. Are you ready? Wow! Let's go! 1. Create a good study environment. A good study environment allows you to maintain your concentration and maximize your learning efficiency. Everyone has their own study environment preferences. So choose your preferences and make yourself free from all distractions. As much as possible, you should try to designate a pleasant and tidy study space with good illumination and proper ventilation. This will help you in reducing distractions and increase your concentration. It is advised that you should gather all your necessary resources, like textbooks, notes, study guides, previous year's papers, pens, etc. before you begin to study, so that you don't disturb yourself for retrieving your things when you're studying. 2. Make a study plan. When you have too many things to study, it may seem hard to get through everything. Schedule your study session with specific subjects to study each day accordingly, rather than to deep dive into one subject only. Segregate your study into logical sections that have a beginning and an end. For example, instead of learning all chapters of a certain subject by the end of day, just set a goal for study. Scheduling your studying habit is very necessary, because by managing your time wisely through the week, you will have a clear vision of the time you can spend on activities different from studying. 3. Avoid distracting things. The internet is a tool that has the power to both educate and entertain. Thus use it wisely. In order to learn the topic with concentration, you don't need to use the internet for wasting hours of your precious time just scrolling useless pages seeking unimportant information. Engaging in such activities steals your concentration. You should turn off your electronic devices while you are studying. Switch it on only when you are taking a break or when you are done. 4. Set some time to worry. Schedule worry time to decrease the amount of time you spend each day in worrying. Start by setting aside 15 minutes each day to think about the things that keep entering your mind and interfering with your concentration. If you ever find yourself worrying about something while you're trying to focus, remember that you have a special time for worrying. 5. Study with regular breaks. Regular breaks are very essential to enhance your learning capacity and maintaining a high level of concentration. With routine and regular studies, the brain tends to stop thinking anything new. So make sure to take regular breaks, as it allows your brain to recharge with fresh oxygen, so that you can refocus on the topic and attack the concept with renewed energy.